Guys, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm planning to go Tokha Road. Hey, what's up everyone, this is Beast Bro and the day start with a jam bullshit. So today's vlog is all about if you do not know what is modification is, guys, then the modification is actually known as the process of adding and removing the certain parts of your vehicle. It doesn't mean you have two-wheelers or four-wheelers. Every vehicles, any kind of vehicles, this truck also, we also can do a modification. We have seen a lot of modification of these trucks and all. I think the modification starts here with the taxi drivers and these all truck drivers. They have started modification way before, and slowly in around the world it's been like 10 to 11 years the modification has started. Sarkarle अब त्यति illegal त गरे हैन नि त. There are many drawbacks. First of all, I'll just copy हाल्नु पर्यो ल. त्यसो मैले ल्याङ गर्नु पर्यो. But I can't. So सरकारले अब इलिगल गर्नुको मेन कारण चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि अब मान्छेहरूले अब मोडिफिकेसन गर्छ हैन. त्यो मोडिफिकेसनमा चाहिँ they just remove the important parts of a bike, which is very much important, as a company have designed it for the betterment of the performance. Betterment of the performance of our engine. So it is quite important for the bike to perform well. Just for example, I'll just give you example. People start using the engine cover. They just modify it by themselves, and it actually hampers to pass the air to cool the engine to the radiator. And radiation disturbance, people are hampered by the exhaust note. People are exchanging their exhaust note. That actually hampers the people living around. That's very irritating in some sense. And many people might ask that I am not supporting the modification and I have just installed LED focus light. Yes, I have installed at Angel. In India, talking of the India Angel light, all those focus lights are banned. Yeah, so in good aspect, then you can add some kind of thing that will actually help you while traveling a long ride, like LED focus. Although I do not travel a long distance, but for the night ride it's very good. For the kind of information, my eyes are not so visual at night. That's why also sad news, but that's the truth, guys. Okay, some kind of function is going on over here. So this place is Budkhel, guys. If you know Tokha Road, and if you have visited this place, then do comment in the section below. And these mirrors and replacing with a smaller one, don't know why. Please do not remove these mirrors, because I know it looks quite boring. It looks quite boring and not so good, but company have designed it by making an appropriate angle for looking behind. And nowadays people are also removing this leg guard. This is the leg guard, and they are replacing with the flame slider. Hope you know the flame slider. There is a long kind of rod, and at last there is a rubber kind of thing. So that is also good, but that is especially focused for this track focus. And for our daily ride, we just need a kind of strong iron rod, because it is quite helpful. And with the bike lorry halo भने पनि यसले पुरै बाइकले थाम्न सक्छ. So it's good bike. And then so I think the modification concept have started, kind of the artistic and creative mind people started modification process. Yeah, it's good. And I also want to recommend that just do not go for a modification, go for a power parts. Power parts means अब राम्रो खालको कामहरु युज गर्ने क्या, जेन्युइन पार्टहरु युज गर्ने, मोबिलहरु पनि जेन्युइन युज गर्ने, जस्तै नर्मल सर्भोहरु युज गर्छन् त्यसमा नभएर क्यास्ट्रोलहरु नभएर मोटिभहरु branded mobile can be used, which actually put effective performance, which actually enhance the performance of your bike. जुन कुराले तपाईहरुको यो performance मा असर गर्छ नि त्यस्तो खालको modification नगर्नु. Do not. And I just want to warn you guys that modification गर्दाखेरि पनि braking system हरुमा कहिले पनि हात नलाउने, and handling also, handlebars are so much critical. You can just get easily accident or easily हुन सक्छ त्यसको कुरामा हैन. There are some kind of benefits of modification also, because if you are a creative kind of person, then you can just design your bike. Talking about the Nepal, people can redesign their color. If this color is black, you can just go and paint it red, but you have to register in the register office. एकान्त कुन जानु पर्ने हुन्छ त्यसको लागि. You have to register by paying like 5,000 to 8,000 rupees. You have to register for a color. You have to cancel the black color and just add a red, and just update the present color, which color you have established or which color you have updated for this version. In minimum thing, first ma kura garदाखेरि engine, do not cover your engine. It actually hampers overheat problems and all those can occur. And the second one, do not change your handlebars. Okay, and mirrors पनि it's designed very good. I know it's boring, but it's designed according to the company betterment. Modification do not only hampers your bike performance, your efficiency of bike, but also hampers the people around you. Like using a pressure horn will definitely hamper people around you, and using a silencer with a larger exhaust will also definitely put pressure. If you many people have a question about the shock, that increasing your shock level or the seat height of your many people have asked me that के हुन्छ र जस्तो seat height raise गर्दाखेरि खासै के problem हुन्छ र भन्दा जस्तो कुराहरु गर्दाखेरि तर it actually hampers guys. If you do not know about the center of gravity, that's the short form of CG. Center of gravity maintain गर्नको लागि if you are riding a two wheelers need a center of gravity very much. Center of gravity actually play a vital role while balancing these kind of two-wheeler bikes, two-wheelers vehicles. So it actually hampers seat height. If you increase the seat height for like some amount, some scale, if you increase your seat height, then it will actually hamper for your balancing. And sometimes if your bike got disbalanced, then that is the main reason. Of your accident also. So मैले त धेरैवटा अब बेनिफिट भन्दाखेरि पनि ड्रब्याक्सहरु चाहिँ फाइन्ड आउट गर्दिए हैन. If you know any kind of benefits of doing, but I have one benefit of if you are doing a modification for the betterment of your bike performance and the betterment of your ride, not only of graphics and styling, then it will be good. But maximum I found drawbacks of modification, so that's why it's illegal in sense. I believe it's illegal in the sense for these kind of reasons. This modification, please do let me know in the comment section below, because this is a kind of a debate kind of topic I've chosen. सबै कुरा अब मलाई पनि थाहा हुँदैन हैन. It's very difficult to know all kind of phase. I've seen many kind of modification which were not good. Some were good, but it was overdone. Okay, please do not do the overdone modification. It will actually hamper you, society, and the performance, everything, and at last it's a risk on you only. So by saying this, I just wanna sign off today. For today, the topic was too much challenging for me to conclude. I don't know how I conclude. Hope everyone like it. If you do not like it, then just do let me know also, because सबैलाई अब मोडिफिकेसनको बारेमा एक्ज्याक्टली थाहा छैन. जस्तो कलर पेन्टिङ गर्ने यताउति बाइक हेर्दाखेरि एट्र्याक्टिभ देखिन्छ यस्तो यस्तो कुराहरू दे ओन्ली नो द्याट रिमुभिङ द इम्पोर्टेन्ट पार्ट्स अफ द बाइक नट actually show your bike good. It might look a sporty kind of thing, it might look good for some kind of reason, stylish, but do maintain a kind of a discipline while doing also a modification. As because if the modification gets legal in the world, then people will do a lot of things, and they can make a bike a car, man. Believe me, man, I have seen a lot of big bikes that have been modified by removing their tires and all those things. अब टायर पनि एक्सचेन्ज गर्यो मतलब they have, if you replace a tire with another flat tire, then also it will definitely put a pressure in a bike and definitely reduce your performance of engine and mileage the garden value and sure to. So hope you like this video, guys. This vlog was a bit challenging and difficult for me to discuss. I don't know what I covered, but I think I covered a small but effective things about the modification, although it's a very difficult topic to be discussed. That's why I just wanna make people to know, to let me know all this. So guys, have fun, ride safe, follow rules, and do subscribe and support. Thanks for watching. Cheers.